This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by William Cannon. Live in paradise. Yes, that is what Griffin Park is. This almost brand new Mohegan floor plan by David Weekley Homes is located just across from the recreation center. It shows like a model, and any attempt at describing will not do it justice. Only a visit would capture the beauty of this home. Stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, gas tankless hot water heater, Sonoma Painted White Linen 42-wood cabinets make the kitchen a chef's dream, which opens out into the eating area and living family room. All of the bedrooms are on the second floor, with the master having a tray ceiling, double sinks, separate shower and tub. Appliance package includes washer and dryer, and the property is professionally managed. Please hurry and make an appointment to view. You will not be disappointed. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cannon at 954-693-0100.